What's up? Day 4. Ready to hike to the road? We're gonna stop at Annapolis Rocks and eat some lunch, okay? Almost got the tent cleaned up. It's a beautiful day.
But it's cold.
It's cold. Yeah, it's cold, isn't it? Love you too. Alright, so we're getting ready to head out of Pogo Memorial, and we're gonna head down to Annapolis Rocks, and that's where we're supposed to camp last night. So we're gonna see if we can make it to Annapolis Rocks. Well, we can make it to Annapolis Rocks right now, but we're gonna, you know, this hike we're about to do this morning to Annapolis Rocks was supposed to be added on to what we were doing yesterday. And I don't think I could have made it, but we'll find out. It looks like there's another big climb, so we're getting ready to climb a big hill first thing in the morning, and then yeah, be at Annapolis Rocks for some cool views. See you soon.
Oh!
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, we're back on the trail. I'm thinking I should have left my coat on, man. It is freezing. I made Ryleigh keep hers on for now. She's feeling good, but oh boy. I hope we can get warmed up here soon. Alright? So we're heading on down. We're about to cross it's gonna be a stream crossing. We're gonna refill our water there and then start climbing uphill. We're leaving Pogo Memorial right now. You can see the sign up there. It's a pretty cool place. Nice and slow, right? Take your time. Watch your feet. Oh, we just got our water. Now we're just healing from our fall. We're feeling better a little bit? How's your leg? It is a beautiful morning for a stroll on the AT, I'll tell you that much. Feels good, man. Feels good. How you doing?
Good.
Life is good on the AT, fellas. How cool is that? Look at that lake.
If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
Alright, we're back on the trail. We're gonna leave our coats on until we get off this ridge because it's really cold up here. It's usually like water or something different like the Annapolis rocks. The bathroom, right? You gotta poop. It's pretty cool, huh? So we started up there in PA. Came all the way down. Now we're right here. This is by far the flattest and most beautiful section I've been in so far. Like, this area is amazing. This is nuts. You can see so far through the woods, everything is green. It's the flattest trail ever. Like, you can ride a bike down this. And it's just amazing. No, a couple rocks right here, but oh, this is so cool. Whew. Dropped you guys. Hello? Hey. Oh, there's a squirrel. The squirrels sound like bears. Yeah, so what was I gonna say? I don't know. So I thought I would be hurting. Last night we barely made it to camp, right? Barely made it to Pogo. And then there's a little uphill stretch as soon as you get to Pogo, and it goes pretty steep up to get to the campsite. I was dying. I didn't think there was any way. And then all night, I'm looking at the phone, just thinking like, man, we got these uphill climbs. I'm not gonna be able to do that tomorrow. My legs aren't working right now. Because I couldn't even stand up. Yeah, there's a lot of noise around here. But we made it. And woke up and the legs weren't even hurting at all. And she's still trucking pretty good. See you soon. Definitely recommend trekking poles. This thing's been amazing. Absolutely amazing. Especially since my right calf is like busted, so every time I put my right calf down, I use it like a cane, limping along the trail. But we're getting it done. We're almost at the road. And I can't wait to get back out here. Oh man, I can't wait to get back out here. This was so fun. You know, putting my body through things it's never been through before, and then just waking up in the morning feeling great. What an adventure. Well, somebody's coming, so we're gonna keep walking. There's like a squirrel or something over in the woods, and it's been following us for like 100 yards or something. I don't even know how long he's been following us. Something's over there following us anyway. Yeah?
Can I see the map?
There's Route 40 and I-70. Kinda wanted to go across the bridge, but I guess we'll hit it next time. We'll be back. Get dropped off right at this parking lot and hike to Harper's Ferry. We made it halfway. Just waiting for a ride now. What a beautiful place to be stuck waiting for a ride, I'll tell you that much. It's so cool. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Where are we at now?
In the car about to go to the fast food place.
About to go get some food and then go home?
Yes.
Are you glad to be done walking?
Yes.
You happy to be back with Lola? So you waiting all weekend? Okay.
Here I come. Here. Hi.
See, physically she's doing great. She can keep doing the AT. We just gotta work on that emotions and homesickness. Just running around here at Burger King, having fun. Calves are burning, dude. I can't be climbing that stuff. Oh man, it's good times. What did you just do?
Playing a Pogo.
What'd you do before that? What'd you do over the past 4 days?
Hike 20 miles on the Appalachian Trail.
Oh, nice. Officially starting our section hike on the Appalachian Trail. Eating some goldfish.
Hi, YouTube. I found this tree and it's a money tree because see those little things on it? They turn into coins.
That sun is cooking. They probably can't even hear us. This is so loud. Good times. What's up? I'm Nick.
What's up? My name's Ryleigh.
Yeah, say it loud. I'm Nick,
I'm Ryleigh.
and you're watching Backoutside. Let's try again. Back outside. What's up? I'm Nick,
I'm Ryleigh.
and you're watching Backoutside with Nick and Ryleigh. Cheers.
We'll hook up after us and it's time to go swimming.
Hi, I'm Nick,
And I'm Ryleigh.
and you're watching Back Outside with Nick and Ryleigh.
If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
Money, we don't need your money. We just wanna make the world